Everybody, we are here with video number 3 for the Yamaha room. We're going to talk about setting up the microphone and the input path. Something that I want you to pay attention to is that we are going to do the recording inside of the Yamaha room today. So notice that I have got the microphone set up in the room. First thing I want to do is I want to look at my input sheet. I will notice that we're going to do the VO tag, which is the last track, using an RE20, set the cardioid. No real placement notes for the last track. I see that my mic line will be mic line 6, and I'm going to want to route mic line 6 to console input 6. I'm going to set my Pro Tools inputs and outputs to 21. Thus, my monitor path will be 21. So let's, with that information, let's go ahead and do some setup. I'm going to take my microphone and I'm going to plug my microphone in. Notice that my microphone is going to be plugged into the 6th mic line. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We got that set up according to our input sheet. I've got my pop filter placed about 4 to 6 inches away from my microphone. We've got my Avium unit plugged in. Notice that I'm on channel 1516 with it fully panned left and right. The volume up about halfway. Bass treble at unity gain. Master control, master volume at about the 9 o'clock position. I leave it down here so we don't blow anybody's eardrums out. If the talent wants it louder, they can bring it up louder themselves. Notice that the Avium unit is, I'm coming from the Avium panel. Couple things to pay attention to when you're recording in this room. The Avium unit here, channels 15 and 16, my output of that is this blue plug, this blue Cat 6, which I'm going to plug into the top unit, or the top AV position here. It says Q in. And then I'm going to plug my personal Avium mixer right below it. From there, it's going to go to the in of my personal mixer. So my Q system will work with my headphones. Other than that is pretty much all that you would do in a microphone setup in this room. Making sure that you're plugged into the right mic panel. Also making sure that your Avium unit is plugged into this room. When we start recording in the next unit, we will not record inside of the Yamaha room per se. We will record in another booth, but we will route that to this Yamaha room, and that will be a different setup. So we'll do that in the next unit. So that's pretty much all you have to do to set up the microphone. In the next video, we will go ahead and set up the input path of the console, and you'll be ready to start recording. See you then.